Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Are you able to hear me? Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
My voice is clear. Are you able to see me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. I hope nobody is sleepy. I hope nobody
No,
is
ma'am.
sleepy.
No,
ସବୁ
ma'am.
ପେଟେ ଖାଇକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି? Okay, that video has energized you completely. That video of Milkha Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Energy ଆସିଯାଇଛି? ଯିବା?
Yes, ma'am.
Start କରିବା? Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, which subject are we going to start with today?
English.
English. Okay. So, can anybody tell me what is the first chapter of the English book that you have?
Triumph of surgery.
A letter to God.
No, which?
A letter to God.
Yes, good. Who said that? A letter to God. Who first answered
Shivansh
that?
Negi.
Okay, great. Okay, now we will start with the letter to God, but before going to the main subject, okay, we have prepared a summarized, gote summary achi, what the lesson teaches you and how it goes, the storyline. Okay, so we will first watch a video of that particular lesson, and then you keep you have to be very attentive and while you watch the video, because I will after the video ask you questions related to that. Okay, understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
now please mute yourself and watch the video.
By author G.L. Fuentes, from the English book First Flight. Lencho was a hard-working farmer. He had unquestionable faith in God. He lived in the solitary house on the crest of a low hill. From here, he could see the river and his field of ripe corn, which wanted rain, at least a shower. As Lencho looked towards the northeast, he expected rain. His prediction came true when it started raining at dinner time. But his happiness turned to sorrow when rain turned into a hailstorm. Within an hour, it had destroyed the whole crop. Lencho's soul was filled with sorrow. The year would be bad without food. But all the residents of that house had firm faith in God. Lencho decided to ask God for help. Although a simple, strong farmer, he could write. He wrote a letter to God asking for 100 pesos to sow his fields again since his crop had been destroyed by the hailstorm. He addressed the letter to God and posted it. One of the employees at the post office saw it and, laughing heartily, took it to the postmaster. He was amused but impressed at such faith in God. To sustain that faith, he decided to answer the letter. He opened the letter and realized that it needed something more than paper and ink. Undeterred, he managed to collect 70 pesos from employees and friends. He put these pesos in an envelope and signed only God. The letter was handed over to Lencho when he came to collect it, but as soon as he counted the money, he was annoyed to find less money. He asked for paper and pen. He again wrote a letter to God and dropped it in the box. The postmaster opened it as soon as he left. The letter read, God, of the money I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Lencho.
Okay, so you enjoyed the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, are you able to see Sir, can we have that author slide, please? Then the second one. Can we have the author slide, the second one? Who can tell me who is the author of this particular, chapter, A Letter to God? This particular
GL
portion?
Funtless.
GL funds. GL
Fontes.
funds.
Okay.
GL
Very good.
funds.
Okay. So here you can know more about the author. Okay. He was a Mexican novelist, a poet, and a journalist. He was one of the leading chroniclers of the Mexican Revolution. He was a realist, and many of his works concerned the oppression of Native Americans. He was awarded the National Prize of Arts and Sciences in 1935. Okay, so this is the a small description about the author. Okay, Gregorio Lopez Fontes. Okay, now back to the chapter. The first slide, you are able to see a picture of a man. Okay, are you able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
able to see? Okay. Now forget about the questions that are there. Side re jo questions achi segura ku na dekhiki. Just look at the picture that you are able to see and let me know what all are you able to see. What you can make out. You have seen the video, a summarized portion. Yeah.
The man is unhappy.
Yes.
Uh,
Great.
his the fields are
You can see the field.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The fields, the
Anybody
man
else
is
wants?
unhappy and there is nothing. The fields, no crop.
Destroyed.
The field is damaged and
Devastated. The field is devastated.
The field is devastated. Okay. So had I not shown you the video, would you have answered the same, that the field was devastated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay then. So see the first question. What do you see in the picture? What all things do you?
Farmer in the field.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just tell me what all do you see in the picture? Forget about the video now. Just tell me what you can see in the pictures. Picture re kon dekha jauchi apan manko.
the field was
Ma'am, a
destroyed.
farmer and a field. Ma'am, if you'll say
Okay.
a farmer and a field.
Okay. Okay. Then where is the man standing?
In between his field.
In front of the
Yes.
field.
Okay.
In a
front
field.
of the field, in between. Okay, in his field. Okay. Then why is he so sad?
As his,
His field was
as
totally
his crops are
destroyed.
totally destroyed.
Crops were destroyed. Okay. Anybody else wants to add in? Only I can only see 2 to 3 people answering. Where are the rest? Are they sleeping? The rest, if everybody can join in. Why is he so sad?
His crops are destroyed.
Okay. Okay. Next, last
His
question. What do you
Crops have been destroyed.
crops are destroyed due
The
to
crops are
health.
destroyed and there is nothing for him to feed his family.
nothing to feed his family? Okay. Very good. Very good. So he is sad. Okay, he is tensed. Okay. So the last question, what do you think has happened to his field?
A hailstorm
The hailstorm has
damage to his
destroyed
field.
his
was
field.
destroyed by the hailstorm happened during the
The
night.
hailstorm has destroyed the
Question.
field of
Yes,
the
very
land.
good. Very good. So now, after watching the video and answering these questions, you all have got a rough idea. Got a rough idea what the lesson is about. The
Yes,
main
ma'am.
points. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go to the lesson right away. So now see the first point. Lencho was a farmer. Okay, what was Lencho's profession? What was his occupation?
He was a
The farmer.
Farmer.
farming.
Okay, and yes, very good. He had the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. Now, what was his occupation? He was a farmer. What was he farming? What crop was he farming?
Corn.
Corn.
Once.
खुशी आसी से काम कर दो प्लीज खुशी मते पठिया को अछि
Can
से जीवन ना क्लास करिवो ना
somebody is talking over there? If they can mute it.
First, can you please mute yourself? Thank you.
Okay. Now, thank you. Okay. Now, Lencho was a farmer. Okay, and he was farming corn crops. Okay, and what kind of a field he had? He had a ripe corn dotted with the flowers. He had a field full of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. If you can recall, जदि video रो के flash कीजिबा सेठी अपन माने देखिथिबे गोटे field आसिला with very beautiful green and yellow flowers kind of a thing. मने पडुची in the beginning of the
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So that something similar Lencho had in his field, very beautiful ripe corn dotted with the flowers, ready for some rain and then harvest. Okay. Second one, he hoped for a downpour or at least a shower. Now, who can tell me what was he hoping for? What does the meaning? Does the word downpour and shower?
small drops of rain.
Some rain.
Small drops of raindrops.
Rain
Low rain.
Small droplets of raindrops for watering the crops.
The rain would irrigate his field.
So downpour means rainfall.
He wants rainfall.
He wanted rainfall for the harvest. Okay. Then he was happy. Why was he happy? Next slide, if you can see, he was
Because-
happy to see huge mountains of clouds.
Because there are rain.
Huge mountains of clouds indicate what? Rainfall?
Rainfall.
ma'am.
In short time
Rainfall.
period, it will be raining.
Okay, good. So, but suddenly, what happened? Strong wind began to blow with the large hailstones. Now, what do you mean by hailstones?
Strong winds blow with heavy rain.
Who is answering?
I see.
You are not clear actually.
Ma'am, I see particles falling from the sky.
Can you repeat yourself again, please?
I see particles falling from the sky.
Okay. Anybody else wants to add on? Hailstones?
Ice crystals.
जो आमे कहू कुआपत्र वर्षा जो हुए सेटा सेगुड़ा को hailstone
Heavy rain associated with strong winds and little ice.
Yes, very good. So now see what happened. Lencho was very happy in the beginning. He prayed to God. The corn can be, be ready for harvesting. And then he was very happy to see huge mountains of clouds coming in. Okay, he was expecting that it would rain, and it did start to rain. In the beginning, it was raining. He was happy to see that that his field would be getting a good amount of water now, and they'll be ready for harvest, and they'll have a good earning this year. Okay, then suddenly things changed. The wind was strong. Okay, and suddenly there was hailstone rainfall that happened. Okay, then the hail, did it stop in some time, or did it continue for a longer period of time? Jaldi bond hai gala
For a
hail-
longer
hailstone?
period of time. For a longer period of time, it continued.
It continued for an
For a longer
hour.
period of time, and that's why the crop.
Yes. So the hail rained for an hour, and the field was white as if covered with salt. So as white as it was covered with salt, what does this indicate? The how was the
Snowfall.
field
Snowfall.
first? No. It is not snowfall. Yes, it is not snowfall, but see, in the first, the field was ripe and beautiful, green and yellow flowers, all dotted with the flowers, and it was all good. Okay, now as the rain came and the hailstones happened and the hailstorm happened, it rained for an hour, and the field was as white as it was covered with salt. That means that the hailstone and the heavy downpour was so bad. It was so bad that all the crops and everything in the field was destroyed. It was not at all green and yellow flowers, and nothing was beautiful to see. Okay, understood till this much? The first
Yeah, ma'am.
slide. Any
Yes,
doubts?
ma'am.
Any doubts? No? Very good. Can we
No, ma'am.
go to the next slide?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Just a minute, ma'am. It's just the
Yes.
computer is hung. Just a minute.
Yes. So what would have happened after this? Can anybody just an assumption? Story ta kemti jibo ya pore kon bhabuchanti ki kon heithibo? Lencho jagare jodi apon mane thante and to apon mankar expectation gote thanta au hela au gote, to apon mane ebe kemti react karthante nijo field ku semti dekhi all crops destroyed, konta react karthante?
You could expect just a way of help from somebody.
Okay, I mean the emotion when you are seeing in front of your eyes that your crop is getting destroyed, suddenly mane sange sange to apan man ko dimag re asibani na ki mu I need help from somebody. You will expect what is the instant reaction. Be lencho and think what will be your instant reaction when you see something is getting destroyed. Won't you feel sad, and won't you feel depressed or tense?
We
How am I
will
supposed
be
to
shocked.
taken and taken to see that type of. We
I would
would
rather,
have harvesting and there would be nothing, so we would be shaken
I
and
would gather the corns which have not been destroyed immediately.
Okay, good. That's a different story that you can go about. Unlike Lencho did not do that. Okay, then we can see here the corn was here, but whoever answered that the corn that was not destroyed, you will go and collect it. But here in the lesson, it is mentioned clearly that the entire corn was totally destroyed. There was nothing left that he could gather. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, here it is mentioned that the corn was totally destroyed. The hail has left nothing at all. There was nothing at all. Like you said, jemti kahile ki age jibe and gather karibe jetiki bi destroy heni, you will collect that. That is very nice. You will obviously go and check. Okay, but here in the lesson it is mentioned clearly that Lencho's field was totally destroyed by the hailstorm and it had left nothing. Okay, he did not understand what to do now. Obviously jebe gote farmer ro field hi sabu kichi thae tar earning pai, and because of an unnatural mane jota amo control re nahi, rainfall, hailstorm. Sorry, किछि कहउथले? Okay, so he did not understand what to do. See, obviously tense thegala, stressed thegala, so he did not understand what to do. But his strength was that he had great faith on God. Okay, ame mane samastankar pakhe faith achi, belief achi that God is there, he would help us whenever we need him, whenever we pray, right?
Yes, ma'am.
के अछंती जहां को फेथ नहीं, जो जे बिलीव करंते नहीं कि गॉड अछंती बोली, के अछंती सेंती एठी ए क्लास रे अभी काम क्लास रे? Anybody? No, right? We all believe in God, okay? And so did Lencho. He had great faith on God. He decided to ask, seek mane kona? Who will tell me the meaning of seek?
To
He
found
decided to
find
seek help.
something.
Request.
Request. Okay, but in this context, he decided to seek help from God means
To ask
he
God to
decided to ask. Yes. In this particular sentence and in this context, it means that he decided to ask God to help him get out of this kind of a situation where he was sad, he was broken, he was surprised, he was shaken. Okay, then what did he do? How did he decide to ask help from God? What did he do? Next step.
Writing
He wrote a
A letter to God.
He wrote a letter.
God.
Yes,
Directing
he
letter
wrote,
to
he
God.
started. Yes. How did he ask help from God? He was writing a letter to God demanding 100 pesos. Now, who can tell me what are pesos? What is a peso?
It is a currency.
Means it is a currency.
Currency of which country?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Since the author is from, we read about the author. He was a Mexican, okay, person from Mexico. So these are currencies. Like we have rupees, they have pesos. So what is Lencho doing? Lencho is demanding God for 100 pesos. Okay. So छुआ बेले के भी किछि भी हमको कुआ हुए ना सांता क्लॉज आसिकी दियंती गिफ्ट्स दियंती के भी एमती लेखि चंती माने छोटो थिले जे कि एबे भी के भी लेखि चंती एमती गोटे आपण मानकर जहा भी डिमांड थिबो कि किछि भी थिबो लेटर लेखि कि रखि चंती कि गॉड को देई चंती केबे एमती का करि चंती कि
No.
have you no okay so do you all find Lencho कोन छुआ थिला कि Lencho कोन किड आपण मान को भलिया कि आपण मान छोटो कि बड़ किड थिला कि Lencho was a grown up old man.
Yes, ma'am.
And yes, so how do you feel that Lencho writing a letter to God? Do you feel that it is funny?
Because of
Yes.
because of his great faith in God, he wrote a letter.
He had so much faith in God that he wrote a letter and he believed that the letter is going to be reaching God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, good. Then when the postman, then he wrote the letter, and where did he go? To the post office, obviously, to the post office to post his letter. Okay, so in the post office, when the postman read the letter addressing to God, he could not stop himself by laughing. So why was he laughing? If you see your younger brother or sister or anybody, okay, or maybe your grandfather or your mother or father, anybody writing a letter to God and posting it, would you not look at it and laugh? आपण माने हसिबेनी कि अरे गॉड को कोन लेटर लिखुछ सेटा कोन जिवो कि आमे नॉर्मल रिएक्शन हुए कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that was the very generalized and very common reaction that the postman who read the letter which Lencho had written to God, and he could not stop laughing because he felt it was very funny. Okay, so but then suddenly as the postman was laughing and finding it funny, then suddenly he realized that he realized that what a great faith Lencho has on God that he actually wrote this letter and he came all the way to the post office to post it, and he believed, and the postman is assuming that Lencho is believing that the letter would reach God and God will answer him. So what did the postmaster do? He decided to help Lencho. Now here, look at the sentence. But the postmaster, who was a fat, amiable man. Who can tell me what are the two characteristics that are mentioned of the postmaster?
Yes.
He was a kind-hearted.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And he was fat.
ma'am, fat and amiable.
Yes. What does the word amiable
Fat
mean?
and amiable.
Kind-hearted.
Kind-hearted. So because he was friendly, okay,
And pleasant person.
pleasant, yes. So he was a fat and amiable man, and because he was that kind-hearted, okay, and because he did not, obviously the postman did not know Lencho, okay. ଆମ ମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କିଏ ଏମିତି ଅଛୁ ଯେବେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଜଣା ଲୋକର ଲେଟର ଦେଖିକି ଆମେ we will decide to help that person without expecting any return. ହେଲା ସେ ପଇସା ତ ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେବା ସେଟା କେବେ ଫେରିବନି. ପୋଷ୍ଟମାଷ୍ଟର ଯିଏ ବି ଲେଞ୍ଚୋକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ସେ ବହୁତ ଭଲରେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ କି that money that he would help Lencho with, it is not going to come back. Okay, postmaster अभी जाके लेटर खोली नांती, हाँ खोली देइथिले. Okay, so postmaster जानी थिले कि से जो 100 pesos जदि भी से कलेक्ट करके लेंचो को हेल्प करंती से पैसा से केबे फेरी की पाइबेनी हैला. Still then the postmaster was so kind-hearted and a wonderful, affectionate man that he wanted to help Lencho. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
एती जाके बुझा पड़ची? Any doubts? I was clear totally?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now we can go to the next slide. Okay. Now see what the postmaster did. He collected 70 pesos from whom? Can anybody tell me from whom all did he?
Staff.
From
From his friends and
From his friends,
Post office staff.
office employees.
relatives.
Yes, friends. He collected from friends, his staff, his charity, and when still then after collecting from so many people, it was not sufficient. He even himself gave part of his salary. Okay, ki kore emti. Ame mane ke think, assume if we had to help somebody. Okay, we had 500 rupees as pocket money. As students, you will not have salary, of course. But if you had 500 rupees and your friend or some unknown, not your friends को तो हमें दो ना कि friends को तो help कर दो हमें. किंतु अजଣା पिला जे कि अलगा क्लास रे अछि आम फ्रेंड नुहे आमे कोन से आमे जो देखिबा ताको 400 की 300 रुपीस दरकार जदी से मागिला कि जदी से नीड रे अछि आमे देखुछु आमे कोन निज आडू जाई कि केबे हेल्प करबा कि?
No, ma'am,
बहुत
because
rare.
we don't know their intention.
Yes, right. So very good. So that is the reason I'm showing you the character of the postman here, the postmaster, that he was so kind-hearted that he even added some part of his salary and could only collect 70 pesos. How much did Lencho ask God for? How much
100
pesos?
100 pesos.
100. Okay, very good. So how much? Yes. How much less? How much less is collected?
30 pesos.
30 pesos.
20 pesos.
Oh,
100 pesos.
100 minus 70. How much does
30
it come to?
pesos less.
Yes. So
30
that was my question. Okay. Now see what happened. The following Sunday, Lencho came to collect the money. So here in this sentence, can anybody tell me, was Lencho coming in a question? माने Lencho पूरा believe करके आसुतला कि ताको आजी पैसा मिल जिबो
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
कि confusion रे?
Yes, ma'am.
Believe.
Yes,
He believed
Yes,
in
ma'am.
God.
He was very excited.
He was very excited. Okay. Why was he excited?
Because he
he
believed that
knew God will
God
help
will
him.
for his letter.
God will help him.
Okay.
Because he
Okay,
was
so he
having
was
a firm
excited.
belief in God.
Okay. Very good. So, but what happened? He had firm belief in God. He was excited. He came to collect the money. But what happened? What was his reaction?
He was shocked and sad because he demanded 100 pesos, but he only saw 70 pesos.
Okay, so he was pretty disappointed with God. Okay, he was very disappointed. He was then, see what all emotions, tell me what all emotions he has gone through in this. He was disappointed to find only 70 pesos. He was angry and he wrote a letter to God demanding rest of the money. He wrote the letter again. So tell me 2 or 3 emotions that you can see in Lencho in this short span. कौन कौन इमोशंस लेंचो देकी गला माने फॉलोइंग संडे रु नै की डिमांडिंग रेस्ट ऑफ द मनी भितरे से दीटा पॉइंट्स भितरे केते प्रकार रो इमोशन रो फ्लक्चुएशंस हमें देखु छु.
At first, he was happy to see
Hopeless.
the mountains of clouds.
No.
Not sorry, not from the mountains of clouds, only from the following Sunday ru demanding rest of the money. এই দুইটা পয়েন্টস রে আমি কেতেটা ইমোশন দেখি পারছু লেঞ্চোর.
At first he was excited to get the money, but after that he was disappointed to see 30 pesos were not there, and
Yes.
after that he was angry on the post office employees.
Yes, very good. Anybody wants to add
2
on?
emotions. Faith and
How 2 emotions? See, the following Sunday Lencho was very excited. Okay, he came with the belief that he would be getting the money. Then he was disappointed, the second emotion. Okay, only seeing the 70 pesos. Then he was angry. Who was he angry with? God.
No.
Okay, he was angry. Third, he wasn't angry with God. Then who was he angry with?
And he was angry with the post
office employee.
He was angry with the
Post office employees.
postman's.
how do you know that he was angry with the postman?
he was angry
Because he
with
had
the
a bad faith with the gods.
post office.
And he believed that God will not do like this.
He was having
Okay.
a firm belief in God, and he believed that God will never do like this to him. Rather than the post office employees would have cheated him.
Okay, that is correct. But here, let me tell you, he was excited to collect the money. He got disappointed to see 70 pesos. He was angry. Here, he was angry with God. First reaction was angry that he thought God has sent less. Then suddenly he realized that God would not do that. Okay, then he again realized that this is the post office that collected the letter, and maybe the postman here, the employees would have misplaced the 30 pesos. Okay, realizing that and calming himself down after he was angry, he thought about here in these 2 paragraphs, in these 2 sentences. Okay, you will be able to see Lencho going through a series of emotions. Okay, he was excited, he was disappointed, he was angry, and then a sudden realization that God would not do that because he had a great faith on God. And then he realized, he calmed himself down and he took a pen and paper. Okay, and there itself in the post office, he started writing the letter to God demanding rest of the money. How much money would he ask
30
for
pesos.
now?
30 pesos.
30 pesos. Very good. So what did he write? The last point. Quickly. What did he
Most of
write?
his employees are bunch of crooks.
Bunch of crooks.
Okay, so what do you mean by a bunch of crooks?
Thieves.
Thieves.
Dishonest
Did he
persons.
in the letter, did he only write the post office employees a bunch of crooks?
No, ma'am. He also write
Then
that
what did he-
please, God, please send me the money to my home directly, not to the post office.
And why? Why not to the post office? Because he believed
Because
that
the
the post
post
office.
He
office
believed that
employees
If
are
the
a
employees
bunch of
would
crooks
steal
and they will
again
again
steal
keep
his
stealing.
money.
Yes, yes, yes.
100 pesos.
So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of bunch of crooks? Bunch of
Thieves.
dishonest people. Okay, crooks meaning bunch of dishonest people. Okay, he believed, he assumed and he believed, but what is the truth here? Tell me what is the truth here. Are the post office employees crooks?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
They
Actually,
are the one who helped
they are
him.
who helped them.
Yes. So many in our life situations also, in a real life situations also, we never know who is secretly helping us. We do not know. We keep on assuming, and we keep on thinking that the world is full of negativity, right? We assume that people are bad here and people are good. Everybody is bad and good in their own ways, but Lencho did not know that whom he was blaming, they are the ones who have actually helped him. The postman himself gave a part of his salary. Who would do that? Okay, so the post office employees were a good bunch of people, not a bunch of crooks. Okay. Understood until this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Anything that you anybody wants to add on to this? Okay. Can we go to the next slide, please? Okay. So this is the letter. Are you able to see? If you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes, because the hailstorm. Can anybody complete the last line? Because the hailstorm.
because the hailstorm had destroyed my
Your
field
time.
completely, and I'm left with nothing to feed my family.
Very good. Very good. And signed by Lencho, and he posted this letter to God. The next slide, please. Okay, great. So when the postmaster would have read the letter that Lencho posted for the second time, how would have he felt? Postmaster ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବ ସେଇ second letter ଟା କି 30 pesos ମୋର ଆଉ rest of the money ମତେ ପଠାନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ ସେ ଲେଖିଥିବ ଏମିତି post office ରୁ ପଠାନ୍ତୁନି, ମୋ directly ମୋ ଘରକୁ ପଠାନ୍ତୁ and all that. ଯେବେ postmaster ଏଇ letter ଟା ଦେଖିଲା, how ତାର feelings କଣ ଥିବ, ତାର emotions କଣ ଥିବ?
He must be
He
angry.
would be disappointed.
Yes. Would he feel sad?
Yes.
Yes,
And he
ma'am.
must be disappointed, but if you see in a positive, as he was a very kind-hearted person, he had done same as the Lencho wanted.
He would do what Lencho asked for. माने से कोन आउरी 30 rupees sorry 30 pesos से send करिवो कहउचंती.
If you'll see in a positive manner, as he was a kind-hearted person.
So he would again send the 30 pesos, you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So he did. Can you tell me that was the postman expecting anything back from Lencho?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, right? No.
No.
Yes,
Likewise,
ma'am.
God. He was expecting. What was he expecting? Who said yes? What was he expecting? What was the postmaster expecting from the from Lencho, from the farmer?
His
That he would be happy. Yes, gratitude. We all expect that, right? But
Nothing.
here we can assume nothing. He knew that the money would not come back, but the postmaster was at least somewhere we can assume that as human a nature it is, that the postmaster was expecting gratitude and a sense of thankfulness from Lencho, which is not bad. Okay, we always believe that something is better than nothing at all. When there was nothing, he had still Lencho had 70 pesos with him. He could have managed with it. Okay, instead of being thankful, instead of being grateful of the 70 pesos, he grumbled, he got angry, and again he asked for the rest of the money. Okay. And whereas the postmaster was so kind-hearted, he helped, he put in his salary, he took charity, he asked all the employees, post office employees to, you know, contribute. Okay. And they helped him, but there was no sense of gratitude from Lencho. So isn't that bad? Isn't that bad of Lencho to not be thankful?
Ma'am, but according to Lencho, he believed that God is almighty and he has all powers to give his what he wanted. So
Yes, and that, yes, very right. Very right. He has every reason to believe that. Okay. But the fact here is, how was he so sure that the post office employees might have taken the 30? God, very rightly that you said that
Because
God is almighty.
Because no one can interfere between God and himself except the post
because
office employees.
Very good. Okay. So he has every reasons to believe
the
that the
money has
post
gone
office
naked.
employees. Kuha.
Sohik, you were saying
Okay.
something.
No, sir, not any. It was
Okay. So everybody got a clear idea of the lesson? Everything was
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubts or anything that anybody wants to add on? Anything that you want to add on?
no, ma'am.
Ma'am, okay.
What is the moralization of the story?
See, moral of the story would be that
We should have
sometimes in life, no, what happens is sometimes as you expect, life will not be the same. ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ପରେ ଏଇଟା ହବ ସେଟା ପରେ ସେଟା ହବ ଯେମିତି ଲେଞ୍ଚ ଭାବିଲା ମୁଁ ପ୍ରେ କଲି ହଁ huge mountain of clouds ଦେଖିଲା unexpectedly. Sometimes in life you will have storms like that in life. Okay, but you do not have to break down. You have to, there are very good things to learn, that you should have faith in God. Okay, you should have a firm faith in God, and you should believe that God is definitely going to answer your prayers. Okay, but God will answer it through various other people who will be around you to help you. You have to recognize and don't be negative. If you have asked for 100, like Lencho asked for 100 pesos, but he got 70. It was only 30 less, but he got 70, more than the half amount of 100 that he asked. So he could have managed. So you should always remember that whatever you ask for, you will get it in full or more or even less, but you should be thankful that you got it. Understood?
We should be happy with the situations.
Yes, happy with the situation, as in you should always believe that the situation is not going to remain the same, be it good days or bad days. If you have good days, you will also have bad days, and then with the bad days will again come good days, like that. Okay, so you don't have to break down. Like aji jodi exam re apan mane 40 ru jodi kiye jane 15 anchanti. Okay, for that, from 15 to reach at least 25 more marks, you will work a little harder. Next exam re apan manku 20 milla. 20 jatale milla, you will be motivated, you will be happy. So out 22 ku jibe. Hela, slow and steady steps, slowly and gradually you will be able to go and improvise yourself, reach your goals. You should always set goals and focus on it. Like sir jo video ta dekhele, focus is very important. If you have a goal of scoring 90% in your board exam, for that you have to have a timetable ki mu ei subject ko etiki time debi, sei subject ko setiki time debi, and पूरा माने फोकस सहित सेतिकी टाइम ही आउ सबु जिंसो कवर करकी ठीक जिंसो सबु पढ़ी की निजे हार्ड वर्क कले जाई की 90% आसीबा ना. आपण माने सबु बसी जाइथिबे आउ हार्ड वर्क न करबे, एग्जाम पूर्वरु गॉड प्लीज मते हेल्प कर देबे, गॉड हेल्प करिवे की एंतिका प्रेयर रो आंसर पाइबा आपण एक्सपेक्ट करबा right habo ki on your part? Habo ki, right?
No, ma'am.
No. So you have to work hard for that. Okay. बुझेला? moral टा बुझेला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
helping each other, whoever is in need, जेतिकी आपण माने करि परिबे हैला, काकू हेल्प करिया पई जदी छोटो बड़ जहा किछि भी हो आपण माने जदी हेल्प करि परिबे, that would be great without expecting anything in return. से पोस्ट मास्टर जेमति जानी थिले 100 pesos कि 70 pesos जहा भी से जाई छी, that is not going to return back. interest कोन से पैसा भी वापस आसीबनी, but he was not expecting. without any expectation आपण माने हेल्प करिवे माने एक दूसरे को, ठीक अछि? एई सब छोट छोट जिंस बहुत गुडा जिंस एई चैप्टर रो मॉरल बाहर छी, जोटा माने भलो जिंस सब आपण माने सिखि परिवे. Now can we have the pronunciation drill? Anybody who can, are you able to see the words here? Is everybody able to see the
Yes, ma'am.
words here? Some
Yes,
words are,
ma'am.
yeah. So how will
ma'am.
I will want you to answer one by one, okay? How will you pronounce supper?
Superior.
supper.
Supper.
Anybody else? The boys?
Supper.
I can only see some 3 or 4 people answering. Where are the rest? The rest of you, if you can join in also. किछि competition नहीं, अपन मन को जहा आसुची सेटा कहंतु. supper is, how will you pronounce it?
Supper.
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 What does it mean? Supper माने कोन? Supper माने हमें कोन बुझुछु?
Light dinner.
Yes. Okay. So basically evening 7 ru 8 भितरे they finish supper. माने आम इंडिया रे होउची ना नै मु जानिनी, किंतु फॉरेन रे supper से माने early ही नियंती. 7 8 रे by 8 o'clock they finish dinner and they call it supper. Okay. Now the word pleasure. How will you pronounce it?
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Okay. Pleasure. What is the meaning of pleasure?
Peace.
Peace.
Satisfaction.
Okay. And
Happiness.
satisfaction.
Thank-
Okay.
Good.
Very good.
Pleasant.
Okay. No, pleasant is something else. Pleasant is something else. Pleasure is happiness. Okay. You're happy about something. It is pleasurable. माने inner happiness कोटे जो था, peaceful happiness, delightful. Yes. Okay. That is pleasure. Contentment. That is also a pleasure. Okay. Okay. The word huge.
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 Okay. It is huge. 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 What does that mean? Huge.
Big.
Very big. Very
Large.
Very big.
Extremely large.
large or big.
Large.
Very big.
Giant.
Okay. Very good. Now entire.
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 Entire. What is the meaning of entire?
As a whole.
Everything. Everything.
Covered completely.
As a whole.
Covered
Yes, that's
completely.
the right one. Very good. Entire. Okay. Now height.
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 Height the meaning समझते जानी थी ना?
Height.
Measurement of a
Yes.
Hi. Yes. Okay. Now we can see some rhyming words here. Okay. Supper, upper, duffer. Pleasure, leisure, measure, treasure. Huge, refuge.
Ma'am,
Entire.
before also.
हाँ? कोटार कहिले कि? Before कोटार कहिले कि? Okay. Huge, refuge. Entire, satire, retire, umpire. Height, flight, slight, flight, light.
What is plight?
Flight is, just a minute.
And what is satire?
Just a minute.
Satire is subtle humor.
Flight.
Humor. When you
अन्य
do
थट्टा,
humor,
थट्टा जो
thought
करती।
satire करती।
Satire.
Light होची like जदि मु गोटे असुविधा रे पड़ जाइची।
Unfavorable situation.
हाँ, असुविधा रे पड़ जाइची unfavorable situation.
जेमती unfavorable situation लेंचोर कौन थिला जबे से देखिला crops destroy हे गले ना, that was his plight. माने that was his unfavorable condition. He was not ready for that condition. ठीक अछि जेमती एग्जाम रे हमें बसिचु एंड हमें जोटा छाडी देइचु हम भाबिलु हमें अज्यूम कर देलु कि सही क्वेश्चन ही आसीबनी बट सही क्वेश्चन ही आसी जाइची. So that is a very unfavorable situation जोटा कि तम माने हमें जानि परिबानी कि कोनटा लिखिबा अबला. बुझि परले? Understood?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So anything else that you want to add or ask? It was all clear?
Can you assume that that God cannot himself come and help Lencho, so he had sent the postman to help him? Can you assume that?
Yes, of course. Of course. We can believe that God cannot be everywhere. Okay. So he sends us people who can help us. Of course, definitely God would have worked in the postmaster's heart, and you know that is why the postmaster could have this kind heart of himself, and he could help Lencho with the 70 pesos. Otherwise, why would anybody do? It is God's own ways to do things. There are God's own ways to do things.
If God had came, then as he is all powerful, then he could send him 100 pesos.
Yeah, but there are reasons, no? There are always some reasons added to what God does in his own way. Like, कौन पाई 70 pesos मिलला? ठीक अछि एटा हेई पारे गोटे टेस्ट थिला कि गॉड देखिया को चाहउचंती लेंचो 70 पाई की भी डिससैटिस्फाइड रहउची ना थैंकफुल होउची ना किछि भी हैला पोस्टमास्टर हेल्प कला विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग. तो गॉड एटा रे हमें कोनटा क्वेश्चन करिबा. गॉड हैज हिज ओन वेज एंड लेंचो मे बी से चाहउतले 70 pesos रे भी 70 pesos कोन कम थिला कि 100 रु ओनली 30 कम. ठीक अछि बट जदि लेंचो चाहि थांता सेतिकी रे थैंकफुल है कि हैप्पीली जाई थांता अधा रे क्रॉप्स सो कर थांता आ अधा पैसा रे मैनेज कर थांता ता फैमिली एक्सपेंसेस until the crops
but he has to go through the whole year.
Yes, that is what I said. He has to work hard. जेमती मो एग्जांपल देली पूरा ईयर आपण माने पढिबेनी नेक्स्ट मंथ जदि एग्जाम अछि धरंतु अक्टोबर रे एग्जाम अछि सेप्टेम्बर सारा आपण पूरा घंटी पिटी माने पढी उठी पढिबे केमती हेबो 1 ईयर रो केमती आपण माने कवर करिवे एंड हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट 90% in the boards if you only in comparison to the student who has आपण माने मासे पढी के सेमती आनी परिबे कि 90% केबे हेबो कि से जिंसडा no. So it was the same. Hard work is important. सबु जिंस जदि हमें गॉड को प्रे करी कि मागी कि पाई जिबु and easily पाई जिबु तो you take it for granted. Okay, God wanted him that 70 pesos dele. Maybe God wanted 70 pesos taku dei chanti. God wanted Lencho to work hard to do something else for the 30 pesos, for the remaining 30 pesos. Kintu Lencho kon kala? Lencho kon kala?
Got angry with
Lencho asked 30 pesos.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I think the time is up because we are running against time now. So what we will do is we'll just stop the the lesson now because auri kichi achi baki difficult words achi ma'am next class re okay he jaichi sabu
agya next class re we can
ମୁଁ
go
କହୁଥିଲି
to
ଆଉ
the
go to that, and ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ close କରିବା, but before that we'll have a very short quiz like we always do. So everyone is ready? I can launch the quiz now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me launch the quiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Yes.
you can answer. Tapare ma'am tar right answer debe, and then we'll close. Okay, yeah, answer ora dekhiba. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, first question ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ?
Rain showers.
ସବୁ ସମସ୍ତେ
Rain
ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? Okay, where was the house situated?
Rest of
Rest
the
of low hill.
Rest of a low hill. Good.
Rest of a low hill.
Okay, Lencho had predicted that he would have এটা কে ভুল করছিও নিশ্চয়।
Good harvest.
করছিলে?
Good
I have
harvest.
Harvest.
good harvest.
Good harvest.
Good harvest करଥିଲେ। Okay, ବହିରେ ଆମେ next class ରେ ବହିରେ ଦେଖିବା କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। Whether he predicted that there would be big drops of rain or he had predicted good harvest. ଯାହା ପାକେ ବହି ଅଛି
Yes,
ଆଜି
sir.
ବହିରେ ଦେଖିଦେବେ। Okay, he had predicted big drops of rain. କାହିଁକି? Because when he looked at the sky, ସେଠି ସେ cloud ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ he had predicted. Prediction ସେତେବେଳକୁ ସେ କରିଥିଲା। Okay, and the last question, the raindrops were like new silver coins, pearls, 10 cent pieces. बड़ा जो drops गुड़ाको 10 cent pieces,
10 cent.
10 and 5 cents.
yeah,
10
all ones were 5 cent pieces. Okay, so ma'am, any final things that you'd like to tell them before we close?
No, sir, I am done.
Okay.
It was all summarized.
Okay.
So next class we can go through the chapter from the
Okay,
book.
thank you students. Next in the next class we'll also look at the book, and book ru ame padhiba, and tapare pura story ta kuha jibo, and tapare then we will also
କଥା କହିଥାନ୍ତି।
sorry,
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଥାନ୍ତି, ଆମର participant जो students ଅଛନ୍ତି, out of them 2 of them have not given their names. It is automatically
I was coming to that BC8A114D ନିଜର ଯଦି ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିବେ ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ଲେଖି ଦବୁ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ Oppo A1K ଅଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ବି ନାହିଁ। I'm just coming to that only. ଆହୁରି କିଛି ପିଲା ସେମାନେ ତ ବସେ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ଏବେ ଆମେ ଜାଣି ପାରିବାନି। So they are all, so can you please identify yourselves? BC8A114D and Oppo A1K, ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଗୁଡା ଯଦି କହି ଦିଅନ୍ତେ it will be easier for us. And one more information for all of you, tomorrow at 3 o'clock we are having SS, that means social science. Okay, kali social science class hour, so don't miss it. Join exactly at 3 o'clock. ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ wait करछन्ती मु जानिछि बहुत जण सेथि पई, so please join us at 3 o'clock tomorrow. So how many are ready to join tomorrow for the social science class? Okay, ଆଉ जो माने raise hand करि परिबे, जो माने चाहुचंती, okay, good, very nice. Okay, ठीक अछि, almost everyone wants to join, that's really nice. ठीक अछि, good. So we all will meet again tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and next time when ma'am takes class, she will talk about the difficult words and also will go into the lesson. Okay, so thank you, stay safe, stay at home, study well, prepare, and always remain focused on the goal. Thank you once again, see you tomorrow. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, bye.